Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, we will understand that how we can access the CentOS and Ubuntu using CMD and Git Bash. Simply just come to your device option, click on network setting, and make sure that it is attached to bridge adapter. In case it is NAT, change it to the bridge adapter, right? Fine. Now after that, click on OK and come to your terminal. For that, click on the home page and search for the terminal. Press enter. Now here, what you need to do is simply just write IP ADDR. Press enter, and here you will find the particular IP address. Right? This is what you need to enter. Fine. Okay, great. So we got the IP address. Now what I will do is I will open the PowerShell. So search for the PowerShell and run as administrator. Give the permission. Fine. Now here, what you need to write is, like, after opening it, let me just do one thing, zoom it for you. Yeah, so here you need to write SSH, mention the username, right? My username was Piyush of for that Ubuntu, and then at the rate, and now here mention the IP address. So IP address was 192.168.1.9. This is my IP address. Simply just mention it here, dot 1.9. Yeah, it is 19. Fine. After that, press enter, and it is asking for the password, right? Simply just enter the password and press enter. And here you can see now you are connected with the Ubuntu using your CMD. That's great, right? Now you can simply run your commands here in your particular PowerShell, and you can get the response exactly the same you get there. Fine. So this is how you use PowerShell to connect with your Ubuntu, right? The same thing happens with your CentOS also. Now let's search for the Git Bash, and what we will do the exactly same process here in the Git Bash also, right? You can use it here also, like SSH Piyush at the rate. Now mention the IP address, that is 192.168.1.9. Press enter. It is asking for the password. Give the password, and you are connected, right? This is how we access it. Access the Ubuntu using your Git Bash and your PowerShell. You can get the response here. As you can see, PWD. It is giving me the same response, right? So this is how we access our Linux server using our Git Bash and PowerShell. I hope you understood the concept. This is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.